My name is Mike McGrath, and I am here because Fox Chapel has produced the 5th edition of my tomato growing book. It's about growing tomatoes. Well, tomatoes are the gateway drug of gardening. Everybody starts by growing tomatoes, but tomatoes are one of the hardest things you can grow. So I explain all the terrible mistakes they've made over the last 5 years, and now they're going to make brand new ones. There are 2 different types of tomatoes, but there are 100 categories where there's 2 different types of tomatoes. So I cover them all. The best advice I give people is to save up all your eggshells over the course of a year, crush up the shells of a dozen eggs, put them over the root ball in the planting hole, and you'll never get blossom end rot, where the bottoms of your tomatoes rot out in July. So the name of the book is the You Bet Your Garden Guide to Growing Great Tomatoes, and you'll find it wherever books are sold.